Inside row 3, the 45 of Sean Hofstrom. Outside of Sean in the 24 car. Nice looking 24 car of Zach Ciccone. Inside row 4, the 82 car, that would be an 82X of Nate Swain. Outside of Nate Swain in the, I don't know yet, I gotta find out. Green flag, and we're racing. That's in the 05 outside of him. That's the 05 of Jared Neal. As you can hear them all squealing the tires coming around, it's gonna be Richard Speck Jr. with the lead. Here comes Beerman on the inside of Whaling. Beerman challenging Whaling for second. Speck Jr. trying to pull this one away, but here comes Beerman. Whoa! 24 almost got ugly. Oh, he ran in the back of 55 there. Here comes that 05.
3 wide in trouble.
Oh! Whaling keeps it going.
That's how you bounce off and keep going as a sixer.
And 24 got in trouble on that one as he got the black flag.
55 of Andrew Walling out of Rockford, Illinois, 8th in the points.
They say rubbin's racing, folks, but that was a little more than rubbin.
Beerman's 5th in points as he's leading it right now in that 51.
As Richard Speck, who led the race, is dropping back into 5th now. Something's going on with Richard Speck Jr.'s car. Eric, have you ever seen a Chrysler New Yorker before?
I have not.
Well, there's our first one, and it's purple. How about that?
Always a purple car.
I have never seen a Chrysler New Yorker here at the Rockford Speedway. Glad we can have a little bit of everything in this variety division as the original Sixers come around. It's going to be Beerman hanging on. But here comes the 05 of Jared Neal. Neal looking to challenge Beerman.
Neal, your points leader, has yet to win a heat this year.
And it might not be this one either, as Beerman just pulled away a little bit coming out of 2. As they're coming around, who's it going to be? It's going to be Beerman, followed by Neal, followed by the 45 of Hofstrom, followed by the 30, what is it, 82? 82 of X of Nate Swain. Oh my gosh, I think I'm going to need glasses now. I can't see the card numbers anymore, Eric.
Just one of those days. Just one of those days.
Have to bring my readers. All right.
It is the second heat win for the 51 car of Sean Warman, a.k.a. known as the Beer Man. He is out of Roscoe, Illinois. Raw Steel Collision Center is his prime sponsor in that Pontiac G6.
I think he's going to get out, maybe. Yes, he is. Please welcome, it's Sean Beerman Wharton.